Cordial greeting, tutor. My name is Edwin Suarez, a student of Business Administration. I will talk in this video about the positive and negative aspect of technology in the environmental will. Uh, we have that the environment is the space in which the life of the living beings is developed. Um, it allows for interaction between them. However, the system is not only made up of living beings. Um, is the population began to grow and increase, its technology, the impact on the environment began to be greater and more harmful. In this way, the balance of the environmental system was lost. The quality of life of many living beings is from that moment um, on in very bad condition. For some, it is even impossible to adapt to the big changes. The positive and negative aspect that technology has caused in the environment is thanks to the development um, that the human beings as wanted to carry out to feed both economy, social, and cultural well-being without measuring the damage it may cause to the environment where it operates. Uh, its positive aspect, humanity has created campaigns through social network or online service. Um, the recycling of certain materials or the use of alternative energy source. Um, renewable energy source such as solar, wind, and geothermal energy are not exhausted and generally pollution less than no non-renewable sources such as coal or only or oil. The negative aspect, firstly, the direct environmental impact because the execution of public works such as roads and mining operation modify the ecosystem in which many animal and plant species live. Pollution, some consequence. of air pollution are the global warming of the planet due to the greenhouse effect or the decrease in the thickness of the ozone layer. Waste generation, in addition uh, to certain technological activities that generate pollution waste. Mm, it is just um, as difficult to dispose of, especially some plastic materials or nuclear waste. Tanker accidents have bad consequences for the marine environmental in which they take place. The resulting oil spills can significantly damage marine life population in the affected region. Thank you very much for your attention.